Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer products. Today, we're diving into the steamy showdown of the century. On my left, we have the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop, and on my right, the H2O MOP X5 Steam Mop. It's like the battle of the brooms, but with more steam and fewer witches. These two mops are not just here to clean your floors, they're here to save your sanity. Let's find out which one can mop the floor with the competition, and which one will leave you wishing you just stuck to a broom. First up, let's talk about the price. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim comes in at a sizzling $164, while the H2O MOP X5 is just a hair more expensive at $169. Reviewers feel that for a mere $5 difference, the investment in either mop is worth it for the functionality and effectiveness they provide. Whether it's a cleaner floor or a cleaner future, both options have their merits. Now let's get into functionality. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim isn't just a mop, it's like a Swiss Army knife of cleaning. Reviewers rave about its versatility, stating it's easy to use and heats up quickly, making it perfect for various surfaces. On the other hand, the H2O MOP X5 is a 5-in-1 floor steam mop that can tackle a multitude of cleaning tasks. Some users appreciate its ability to clean hard floors, carpets, and even windows, making it a versatile addition to their cleaning routine. Next up, steam power. The BISSELL boasts a long 25-foot power cord, helping you reach those hard-to-get places. Reviewers appreciate its steam delivery, but note that it can sometimes lack power and consistency, requiring frequent pauses to heat back up. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 packs 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power, which users describe as effective for deep cleaning, but some have mentioned concerns about its construction quality, which makes it feel less robust. Both have their strengths, but steam delivery may vary. Now, let's talk about the bonus tools. The BISSELL comes with an onboard storage kit, which means you can carry all your cleaning tools like a cleaning ninja. Reviewers love the grout tool and other attachments, although some mention it can be heavy during extended use. On the other hand, the H2O MOP X5 includes a variety of attachments that users appreciate for their effectiveness. But some have noted that the quality of the materials feels cheap and can be prone to breaking. Both offer great tools, but the build quality may differ. Overall, both mops have received mixed reviews from users. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim is praised for its versatility and effectiveness, but some users have noted issues with weight and durability. Conversely, the H2O MOP X5 is appreciated for its multifunctional capabilities, but concerns about its construction quality and effectiveness on certain surfaces have been raised. So which mop reigns supreme in this steamy showdown? If you want a powerful, all-in-one cleaner that's great for your floors and beyond, the H2O MOP X5 might be your best bet. But if you prefer a dual-function steam mop that supports a good cause while tackling dirt, then the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim is your friend. Whichever mop you choose, just remember, a clean house is a happy house. And if nothing else, you'll have a great excuse to avoid doing the dishes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product comparisons that help you buy smart. Until next time, keep it steamy.